we're back. This is part 2, and then we're here at our slime video. So to be honest, we're at McDonald's because I love it. So, oh no god, we're not listening. We have a new car now, so we're not I got this little kitty, but this is not play, but this is slime. Okay, so did they just take out the whole box? So let's place it at the floor. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, it's like when I was at SM, go to SM North. Please go to Manila and SM North, auto legal location. Go up to the third floor or second floor. You can see the word. If you see Toy Kingdom, and then you walk faster and almost to the exit, that and it says Good Hope. You'll go there.